Okay, so in this video, we're going to review transformations of a quadratic in vertex form. So our vertex form is a times x minus h quantity squared plus k. Our a tells us if we have a shrink, a stretch, or a reflection. Okay, so it is a shrink if the absolute value of a is bigger than 1. It is a stretch if the absolute value of a is between 0 and 1. Okay, so that means it gets wider, shrink meaning getting narrow. A reflection occurs if I have a negative a, which means it will open down. A positive a means my graph opens up. Okay? Now, the two other things I want to look at are a horizontal shift, okay, and then a vertical shift. Okay, let's look at an example though while we dive into the horizontal and the vertical shift, and then also shrink, stretch, reflection. Okay, so we have our quadratic 3x plus 2 squared plus 5. Okay, so my a is 3, which means I have a vertical shrink by a factor of 2. One thing I like to do when looking at a quadratic and vertex form is identify my h and k. So my h, in this case, is equal to -2. Remember, my vertex form is x minus h. So that means to get plus 2, I have to have a -2 for my h. And so that means, since it's less than 1, I have a shift left of 2. Now, k is really step forward. This time k equals 5. So I have a shift up 5. Okay. So there's one example that I would do to find the transformations of a quadratic. Let's look at one more where I'm identifying all the different parts. So if I am given the quadratic -1/2 x minus 4 minus 6. So for the first part, I have a reflection over the x-axis. And then I have a shrink by a factor of 1/2. Here, my h, remember since it's x minus h, I have 4, so I have a shift right 4. And then here, k equals -6. And so I have a shift down And so that's how I would identify the transformations in this specific function.